Let's learn together with this simple ebook, perfect for beginners. Get the ebook plus 26 bonus animated PowerPoint template.
Woo!
Just customize a little and you're ready to present.
Wow!
Grab the ebook plus 26 template now. But that's not the only product. There's also the 800 animated slides collection built with a completely different system. This isn't your typical PowerPoint template. It's a copy and paste presentation system. Yep, literally copy and paste. Just choose the slides you want, copy them, then paste them into your presentation. Mix layouts, sections, and styles however you like. Need an agenda slide, our services slide, process slide, map slide, people infographic, SWOT analysis, testimonial slide, social media slide, contact us slide, thank you slide. And there's still so much more. No more designing from scratch. With 800 animated slides, building professional presentations becomes faster, easier, and way more flexible. Don't wait until the price goes up. Get access to 800 animated PowerPoint slides now. Get full access today. Original price, $180, but if you're watching this video, you can grab it for $39. Prices may change at any time. Secure your access now before the price goes up.